another area of your research that I want to talk about that it looks like you've been working on recently is the interaction between the fat content of the diet, including the high omega-6 diet, and cannabis smoking. So can you start to talk about what you were doing there and why you decided to look at this area?
The cannabis is an interesting component. I see it's legalized in the variety of more than, I think, 35 states. It's already legalized in the USA for recreation purpose based on its THC content, less THC contents. And so these CBD itself is interesting molecule from recreation point of view, and it has some beneficial application for epilepsy and seizures and other conditions, pain.
So we've got, so THC would be the intoxicating component of some marijuana. That's what gets people high. It has the strong psychoactive effect.
Right.
Cannabidiol, or CBD, is this non-intoxicating component that's high in hemp, and it's used for epilepsy and it's used for other things.
Right. So the question we ask in the lab, and in the humans, we have both types of outcome is there. Some are saying, oh, it's helpful, and some are saying, hey, it increases this risk of cardiovascular disease and cardiovascular complications. That's why we test and in how it's interacting, especially with the omega-6. Here is the interesting point. After the last smoke, and then 2 hours after the last smoke exposure, we sacrificed the mice, and then we quantitated these molecules in variety of organs like heart, spleen, then lung and brain, and the olfactory bulb. And we could see these molecules within 2 hours reaching to the heart, which is the most surprising or fascinating findings, that okay, CBD can reach to your heart within 2 hours. That is one of the phenomenal outcome of a study. At the functional level, we don't see the change in the contractility, which is a crude measure of the cardiac health, but another more precise measurement, and that's a blessing because we have the fascinating facilities at the University of South Florida Heart Institute where we are sitting now. And when we measure the cardiac, actually the strain, that strain is weak in the mice which are on the cannabis smoke as well as omega-6 diet, suggesting that it has a great impact on your cardiac health, especially on the mice cardiac health.
Yeah. So there's a measure of how much strain is on the mouse's heart.
Right.
And it's worse when you combine omega-6s with marijuana, high CBD marijuana smoke.
Right. Yeah.
Interesting.